Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Most of the time when browsing the internet we are submersing by an infinite amount of acronyms, and many times when we don't understand it we just dismiss it. VPN to many users may sound just like one of the many acronyms or abbreviations, however, it is one that sooner or later you are going to have to pay attention to. Its market is booming so much that pretty soon we will have a VPN just like we all have at least one mobile phone. My name is Nicola Scanni. With a degree in multimedia and a passion for technology, I have a tendency to pass along my knowledge in a very simple way. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a service that allows you to connect to the internet via a server run by a VPN provider. All data traveling between your computer, phone or tablet and this VPN server is protected by a secure encryption. A VPN provides privacy by hiding your internet activity from your internet service provider and government. This last statement is true only if they do not keep any activity logs. I've just briefly explained what a VPN is, but why do you need one? Well, following I will make one example for why private users need one and one example for companies. Well, first of all, if we visit an HTTP website and not an HTTPS, the S stands for secure, we are open to many kind of threats from hackers that can read, modify and delete any documents on your PC, and with a VPN this will never happen. Besides this common threat, we know that as a private individuals we may have a special interest in something that the mass does not consider normal. However, when we search for this special interest over the internet, we may find ourselves dealing with all sorts of advertisements related to this special interest that soon after we finish the search we receive via email. This could happen for many reasons, and one of them is that now your internet service provider can sell your browsing activity to a third party. Every human being has the rights of privacy as long as it's used for legal purposes, and this is why each one of us has now the immediate need for a VPN. The companies need to know that VPN's global market is expected to account for more than $5 billion by 2023, owing to increase in demand for secure remote access for employees, customers and business partners, rise in cyber attacks, growth in demand for cloud-based security solutions and increase in BYOD trend. Let us take this last example. Many have noted that the BYOD bring your own device trend in the workplace is more diffused than ever, but since employees will mostly be utilizing their devices outside of the workplace, you run the chance they'll access unsecured Wi-Fi connections at airports, coffee shops, store or even their own home. Unsecured networks can provide hackers with easy access to your company's system or networks. Each of these risks poses a threat to your company's valuable and sensitive data when not using a VPN. I have recently made a research for the best VPN service providers. In my research, I did not even consider the free VPN providers. It is impossible to give this type of service for free. If you use one, you must read the warning you'll find at adios-hola.org. As I was saying in my research, I chose first the best 10 companies. I have searched and read all of their qualities and offers. Then I've narrowed down the search and I've signed up for a month to the best 3 to better check their qualities. And now, after a month, I've picked up the winner. I firmly believe I found the best in service quality, customer service and price. And the winner is Pure VPN. If you find a cheaper one, I can assure you it means that it does not offer the same quality and or it does not have the same number of servers and or it does not offer the same security. Just do like I did. Try it for a month. Find the link in my description below. I have one general tiny URL and others for different type of services, but do it quickly because you all know the market is increasing, so the price could follow. Although right now the price is ridiculously low. It will cost you just like one cup of coffee at the bar, and that is for a month of services. That is if you act right now though. Just click on the link in the description and protect yourselves, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you like it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This way, every first weekend of the month, you will find a new tutorial here on my YouTube channel. If you have a question, please leave a message. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for listening and enjoy it. Now that you know what a VPN is and why do you need one. Ciao!